Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Now you can execute it. And anybody interested to execute file program? I will guide you. I will guide you how to do. Yeah. Now you can share the program. She is sharing, at least you can check. Anyone is interested to execute this program one time, then we will take all presentations. Who are interested today, we will execute all the programs. Within 1 hour I have executed almost all the, I have explained the Python program. Complete concepts I have explained and I have executed file operations. Please share your screen, because you need to view the path, and that's why whether you are able to view path or not. Yeah, please check now. All of you, she is sharing the screen. Yeah, CLS, clear screen. Increase the font. Unmute yourself, Diane. Now close. First time again I will tell you more program you need to close this one. Close this one. One more program we will do with our own. So everybody can do. Close this file. Close this file. Notepad file you can close. Yes. CLS. Clear screen. CLS. Enter. Go to left. Go to left side. Increase the font size. No. Close this one also. Close. Yeah. Minimize this one. Open command prompt. Yeah. Minimize. Yeah, increase the font amount. Go to left side corner, go to properties, this window. Yeah, left side corner, there is a small one. Yeah, go to properties. Yeah, same one. Or control plus. Open command prompt, CMD. Yeah, control plus, can you increase? CLS, yeah, there you can check font, yes, here 28, no, top font is there, go to top, font, yes, top left side, top, that, no, yeah, increase, control plus. Okay, now it is visible. Notepad space create. I will give you homework. Now you cyber.txt. Notepad space cyber.txt. Create one text file first. Cyber.txt. Enter. Write down. Cyber is related to, write down one sentence. Cyber is related to, type in the notepad. Cyber is related to computer science terminology. Cyber is related to computer science terminology or information technology or virtual reality. Information technology or virtual reality. Now close this file. After save, close. Close the file. Virtual reality, you can close the file. Now, notepad space space cyber.py. Cyber.py. Python file I'm creating. Enter. Yes. Say yes. Yeah. Here. First write down now. Hash. Write a Python file. Write a Python program. Write down. Hash. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Create a file. Write a Python program to create a file with content. To create file with content. To create file with content. Enter. File is equal to file is equal to Nayan, please do. Yeah. Please take it. Yeah. File is equal to, now it's coming. Open. Parenthesis begin, double quotes begin. File is equal to open. Open parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, C, capital C colon, C, left side there is a part, C colon, capital C, U, capital C colon, slash, two backward slashes. It is coming very slowly from your side, C colon, slash, do. Users, capital U, please do. Capital U. Users, slash, user. User. It is coming very slow. Slash, cyber.txt. Cyber.txt. Double quotes closes, comma, double quotes begin, R, small r, double quote closes. Enter. Perfect. Next. Enter. Write read underscore content. Read underscore content. Read underscore content equal to file.read equal to file.read parenthesis begin parenthesis close. Enter. Print parenthesis begin read underscore content. Save. Now you need to compile. Now save and compile. Read underscore content. Now save this file, you can close it. Close.